Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Let's explore the word anxiety. Anxiety means a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease about something with an uncertain outcome. You can use anxiety to describe the state of being apprehensive or worried, often about future events or outcomes. For example, someone might experience anxiety before a job interview, a test, or a social event, feeling uneasy about the outcome. In a sentence, you could say, "She felt a wave of anxiety wash over her as she waited for the exam results to be announced." This indicates her nervousness and worry about the outcome of the exam. Now, repeat after me. Anxiety. Anxiety. Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. Her anxiety levels rose as the deadline approached. He experiences anxiety whenever he has to speak in public. The thought of flying filled her with anxiety. Anxiety over her health kept her awake at night. His anxiety about the future often paralyzes him from taking action. The uncertainty of the situation caused her anxiety to increase. Managing anxiety can be challenging, but it's possible with support and coping strategies. The therapist helped her develop techniques to cope with her anxiety. Experiencing anxiety from time to time is normal, but if it becomes overwhelming, seeking help is important. He tried deep breathing exercises to alleviate his anxiety. The anxiety of starting a new job is common among many people. Her anxiety about the presentation made it difficult for her to concentrate. The anxiety of being in a crowded place can trigger panic attacks for some individuals. She felt a sense of relief after discussing her anxiety with a trusted friend. He sought therapy to address his anxiety disorder. The anxiety of waiting for news about her application was unbearable. The medication helped to reduce her anxiety symptoms. Her anxiety about the upcoming trip overshadowed her excitement. He found that exercise was an effective way to manage his anxiety. The constant state of anxiety affected her ability to enjoy life. And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.